My brothers and my sisters, I am Persian American, born and raised in Iran, but lived most of my life in America. Now, both of my home countries are at war with each other, both standing on the wrong side of the history, both fighting for the wrong cause. People in Iran are suffering today, and people in America are suffering. So does the people in Israel. This greed and anger that grows in the heart of humanity is causing this battle, is manifesting itself outwardly with death and chaos. Global warming that is happening today is not the outside cause, that's just the effect. It grows within the heart of humanity. When the greed and the heat of rage grows in the heart, it eventually manifests itself in the world around us. It manifests itself in the heat created by the explosion of bombs and the bullets that are being fired today. What happens within our heart eventually manifests itself in the world around us, individually and globally. It doesn't matter who you are and where you are. As individuals, we may not be able to stop the war today, but the least we can do is to not feed the fuel of this war, which is anger, hate, and greed. Let us be the difference in this war. Let us promote love, peace, and unity rather than rage, hate, and separation. Let us not participate in what is happening. I hope this war stops soon, but it may not. And the least we can do, you and I, is to not hate one another. I don't care where you are, who you are, where you from. I'm not going to hate you or stand against you. And I hope you do the same, not only with me, but with everyone around you, with all humanity. We will always have different ideologies, different belief system. But that does not mean separation. That does not mean that we must hate and resent one another. We can still live with love and peace despite our differences. Hopefully, tomorrow will be a better day for all of us. Until then, love and peace be upon you, my brothers and my sisters.